Okay, we're in Module 3, Lesson 4 for Mrs. Fiska's 4th grade class. Okay, this is a new learning target that we just started today, and it says, I can multiply a whole number using strategies based on place value and the properties of operation. Okay, this is a pretty simple problem like we did in class today. So I'm going to show you first 3 ones, and then we're going to multiply by 10. Remember, multiplying by 10, we just can cross the place value line. Okay, so if I take my 3 ones and I multiply times 10, that's 3 tens, or I can say I have 30. Okay, if I look here and I say I have 3 ones, and then I can say I times 100, or 10 times 10 is also 100. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to multiply times 10 times 10, and now I have 300s. Okay, here again I have 3 ones, and I'm going to multiply times 1,000, or times 10 times 10 times 10, and that gives me 3,000. Okay, if we look at this, we have 3 ones, and we can decompose this to 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1,000, and we're showing the same thing. Times 10 times 10 times 10 equals 3,000. Okay, we're going to do this one times 10. We have 1 10 and 5 ones. And we multiply this times 10 and this times 10. We'll have 100 and 5 tenths, which would be 150. Okay, here we have 22. I've put 22 on my place value chart. And we could say 22 times 100, or we want to decompose the 110 times 10. So we take our 2 tens times 10 times 10, we get 2,000. And we take our 2 ones here times 10 times 10, and we get 200s. So then our answer would be 2,200. Okay, so now we're going to decompose the 20. If I decompose it, I can decompose it to 2 times 10. Okay, so down here, and then I can go 4 times 2 equals 8. So then I have 8 times 10. Okay, so we're just taking the 20 and we're decomposing it to 2 times 10. And then we have 8 ones. And we multiply that times 10. And then we'll have 8 tens, which is also 80. Okay, on this one, we're going to decompose the 400. 4 times 100 equals 400. And then if we take this and we do 6 times 4 is 24. 24 times 100. Now, when we get over to the 100, remember, this is the same as like 10 times 10. So then we have to go across 2 place value lines. So let me draw that in, and then we'll go times 10 times 10. Okay, right here we have 2 tens times 10 times 10, and then we're going to have 2,000. And here we have 4 ones times 10 times 10. So now we have 400s, and so we know that our answer is going to be 2,400s. So just do your best on this tonight. Do page 135 and 136. Please email me if you're having trouble, but remember, take a risk and do your best. And bring it tomorrow. Don't forget to tear it out and bring it tomorrow. The joke for today is, do you know what's odd? It's a math joke. See you tomorrow. Bye.